And of course, and we just want you to be successful in that mission that you have. And I'm sure that our Lord and Our Lady will be with you in the next chapter.
Mother, bisag maldita ka. Pero muna'y among kami nga one yun mo.
Wala may maldita.
Wala na'y maldita, wala na'y magluto kalagsa. Yung nakakay card nga gikuan, Mother, yung wala mang ko'y cash. Kalila kung ihatag ni mo, Mother.
Bukat kayo! Imuha na natin!
Pero Mother, lapot! Uy, 20 ka pini, ha? Joke na rin, Mother. Good. Makita na si Boy.
Ano po kaya?
Ate Fair. Sa una naman yung sige lang tasultihan. Always may kusultihan, Ate Fair. Love you, Ate Fair.
Love you.
Love you. All the best in life. See you in Kuan. Asa na inyo, Ate Fair? Sa
Danao.
Uy!
Danao.
Nako. Be careful sa Danao. Nagkakaibaltik dito. Goodbye, Ate Fe. All the best. Magkita-kita kami tayo. See you soon. See you later.
See you later.
Hasta la vista.
Hasta la vista.
Oh yeah.
We wish you luck and good health as you take the next journey in your life. Know that we will always pray for you. And we are here if you need us. We will do what we can to help out. Are just a call away or your video call. We love you and thank you very much for having our back.
Pinayak na naman si Neng!
Ikaw daw mag-continue.
Hindi ko makakita. And, I'm just a video call away or audio call away. We love you and thank you very much for having our back when we needed someone. Messenger lang ta ani nang ha. We love you. I love you forever, Mami Nang. Oh, sabi mo ano ba yun? From Ruben. Talk family. Ate Pe, we came here same time.
Oh yes.
Diba? Remember our first trip to the beach para tayong mga tanga naka-jacket.
Summer
namin yan.
Naka-trench coat.
August, naka-trench coat kami. Para kayong mabuang. Parang hindi lang kami nakita na ng beach, diba? Parang, tapos ano pa yun natin, agi, uy, nagagano pa tayo sa diba? Sa Father Nigel pa yun.
Hindi kasi akala natin yun ang yun ang costume.
Actually, Father Nigel pa yun, no? Grabe, tagal na. 22 years yesterday.
Yeah.
Diba? Ang tagal na. 22 years, 12 addresses for you. Finally, meron ka ng permanent address. Hindi ka nalilipat. Good luck, ate. I'm sure mag-enjoy ka kasi there's no place like home, di ba? Pag may kailangan ka, just ko alam mo naman, message lang. We love you.
So, si Ate Fe, do I have to say it in Tagalog? Or English?
Oh, yeah. Yes, some Tagalog. Mag-adjust kami.
Ate Fe is a kind of person who is brutally and lovingly honest.
Brutally.
Yes. She's very frank and straightforward. But she's the one who redirected me to the Lord when we had a pandemic before. Bex had a stroke, had a COVID and stroke, and Ate Fe was there to support us emotionally and physically. Silingan man sila sa Danao. And then they are relatives as well. So I'm sure that we will see Ate Fe maybe next year, Puhon, Kaluyan, o Viva Pitsenera.
Viva.
Representatives
I've known Ate Fe for a long time na.
I don't think, like when you met people in this lifetime, it's not, I don't think it's by chance. I think it's been predetermined that we meet each other to learn from each other. For us, for me especially, I know Ate Fe, yeah, she's very frank and sometimes people misunderstood her. But if you know her more, she's always got good intentions. And then, what I've learned from you, Ate Fe, like, when ka na mag-drive ka, and magsakay ko sa iyong sakyanan, we always talk like more about, I don't know how to say it. Yeah, you always say, akong napansin mo that when you make mistakes, you recognize it, and I learned from that. I mean, like even at work or whenever dealing with other people, you always say, oh yeah, and then I noticed that I made a mistake, and then you're trying your best, like every day you're trying, and that's an inspiration for me. My wish for you is, I know the best is yet to come.
Yeah.
You have a good heart and continue what you want to do, and we will be praying for you always, and hope to see you soon.
Thank you.
Yay! Alright. From us,
Naiyak na tingin tayo doon.
sa Ipadura family, nandun may Ate Fe, goodness, this time, the stage in your life is everyone's dream. You know, like, kasi hindi lahat will have the blessing, will not have this kind of opportunity. Not all of us will have this moment in our lives na ma-experience tong ganito na retirement. No? And all we wish is you enjoy your retirement and do whatever you need to do back home, mag-support sa ang faith. I know you're always supporting all of us at the bed in strengthening our faith. And though we don't talk every day, though we don't see each other every day at the bed, but I would like to tell you that wherever you are, we'll always be praying for you. So, good luck and enjoy retirement. Well, ayaw na pagtrabaho sa Pilipinas, ha? Basta, ano?
Huwag na mag-barbecue na kayo, Kiros.
At na mag-barbecue.
Well, hindi kami kasing same ng the others na kilala ka na before. Pero, I feel like matagal na tayo magkakilala. Iba yung naramdaman namin pagkasama ka namin. Yung friendship na pinapakita mo sa amin, tsaka totoo ka. Na parang I hope magkaroon pa tayo ng mas mahabang pagsasama, pero
even in a distance.
But thank you, Ate. Thank you sa friendship. Thank you sa support mo kay Justine. Ever since na nakata si Justine, you always tell me na umiiyak ka, alam mo yun. I just wish na dito ko sa birthday niya, pero unfortunately, I'm sure you will be somewhere.
Yeah.
So, Ate, thank you very much, and see you.
Wala akong kodigo. Si Ate Fe, kauban na mi ana. Tapos, sa ITO, when I first started sa ITO, si Ate Fe, napana siya dito. Siya mo yung nag-remind sa ko, dahil I feel kumpiyansa din sa mga tao. Kumpiyansa din sa mga tao.
No kumpiyansa.
No kumpiyansa daw. Kanang, kuan na siya kay, kanang uban na rin daw. Kanang yan, tutuluan ba? Ingon ana. Mo nang di yun ko mo kumpiyansa. Sila na yun mo kumpiyansa sa ako. Dito ang Ate Fe, oy. Si Ate Fe, ako yun ako, kanang, ate siya ba kanang tinid, anay gani yun nga kanang, sa di mo magkita, kanang magkita gani. Kuan lang yapon, bisiya lang yapon. Tapos si Ate Fe po na nagsulti po sa nakuha na ako nga si Ate Fe mura ko ka nang murag na proud po ko sa akong self regarding sa katuganing kay DJ nga imong sulti sa kay Heidi nga dahil ka nang istoryahin na si Badjing may tungod sa imong anak ba nga imong anak murag ka nang na-feel na ako nga mayo among pagkadala sa among anak nga bisag ng adto imong anak ba o murag gihimo ko nga example ni Ate Fe para sa uban ba kung yun sana mo pagdala sa kay Beach. Salamat po ato Ate Fe. Pero sa always ako ginasulti, it's not a goodbye Ate Fe, but see you in Cebu. Oh, sigurado yun na siya Ate Fe. And
Marami na tayong na pwede kayo sa Puerto Cebu.
ilang yung tamagdungan.
Ayaw lang, tagsa-tagsa naman.
Hindi pwede sabay-sabay.
O niya, ang ako isa ka wish nga kuani mo ang desire sa imong heart kabalo ko na akay maayo nga buhaton dito sa Cebu og hinaot unta nga panalanginan ka sa Ginoo og labaw sa tanan nga ang Ginoo maghatag kanimo og good health o basta Ate Fe laban lang. Sukol.
Salamat, Jing. Next, Effie.
Oh, barbecue and stuff. Count yapon. Although we don't see each other all the time, pero I consider you as a friend. Is good luck on your retirement and God bless. Enjoy.
Salamat, Pai. Thank you.
Napao? Kini nagbaro.
Si Sol.
Si Ate Fe has a good heart, beautiful heart inside, beautiful person inside and out. Si Ate ang mentor nako sa ITU niya hangtod karon. Di gyud ako makalimtan. O niya kanang ang akong mga anak pod nahibaw nga mo-retire na si Ate. Pwede pa ka water para iya. Water.
May pakla dito sa pasayaw.
And then, sabi ng mga anak ko na Ate Fes, our nanay. In fact, si Don Bon, mag-retire na si Ate, maning na nga, ibilin ang iyang recipe sa barbecue. Maning ang tubo na te. Unya yun siya nga, kanang pagabutan ni Ate, niya pagasorti na to, na si Ate. Unya, kanang mutabang siya ako po. Silently, niyain ko nga, kanang alabaw pa sa iso onte. And we wish you luck and hopefully you'll succeed on what you have dreamt in the future. Congratulations. And today is the beginning, a new step, a new chapter of your life. And you have to enjoy every minute of your retirement. Don't work hard na ate. You've done your very best na. Thank you very much.
Nahinay, basta kanunay.
Salamat. Salamat siya ni guys.
11. Uy, Jers, huwag mo ulitin.
Oh, sige.
Ikaw ang sumundot nung una.
Copy-paste daw, copy-paste.
Hindi kasi, pag siya, lalo kang masundot.
Huwag mo masundot.
Hindi, started. Tapos, oh, alam mo na to. Pirmahan ko niya, lahat pinirmahan niya. Na-sign up ako ng maaga. Pero, kidding aside yun nga, sabi ko, nung nag-party kami last week, sabi ko, si Ate Fe has been a mentor not only sa work, but also sa life. Single pero madaming naiambag sa aming marriage life. Naging takbuhan ng asawa ko pag medyo kaya siya ang emotional sa amin. Sa But yun, this is not the end, ate. This is just a new beginning of a new chapter of your life. It should be a celebration of happiness kasi retirement. So, enjoy your life. There's still loads of years to come na ma-enjoy mo pa. So, yun nga, wag ka nang mag-work. Mag-barbecue ka na lang. And yun, iwan mo sa amin yung heart stopper mo na recipe.
Ay, yung heart stopper.
Alam ko yung ibibigay mo yun. So yun, good luck natin. Hindi na kita paiyakin.
Thank you. Thank you, George.
Ayaw talaga na.
Nagsimula na nga eh.
Baka 3 words pa lang, mayak na kayo.
Wala na. Salamat,
George.
Salamat.
Yan ang retard. Copy paste. Copy paste. Obito, happy retirement, mother. And may God bless your journey home. And I'll see you, of course, in Cebu.
Yes.
And liver and barbecue. Yes, of course. Hope that
Liver.
Actually, ang liver good, oy.
Thrive. Yeah.
Liver, madali
Liver
lang.
good.
Barbecue, yun.
Mas makahimo ni mo millionaire.
Correct.
Ang liver?
Liver.
Ang liver o kang barbecue gan, mura pag Larshan.
Larshan.
Sa Larshan na.
Liver kay kadayon.
Of course, I will miss you because you've been a friend to us. And especially Victor, pero may kagitikon. Gitikon ni Victor, kasi you see him. Of course, he'll miss you as well. But he'll be here afterwards. Thank you so much for the friendship and thanks, Alden. Hindi ko na ito mag-plastic kay. Hindi ko na ito I miss you.
Abis niya, hindi talikod.
Siya plastic niya.
This is what I said. Won't you miss her? But yeah, I will miss you. I will miss you so much, mother. But you know, as everybody said, it's not a goodbye. So we'll see each other.
See you soon.
Yeah, see you soon. Maybe next year. Maybe next year because we're planning to go home next year.
Oh, wow.
If God permits.
Ako, marahaba na listahan mo, te.
May mga puti pa.
Ano siya makamulit si Jean? Si Cherry.
Si Mama, dito kami.
Ate Fe, maapay ko na ko rin mo. Congrats. Kay graduate jud ka. Graduation. First na ko naila si Ate Fe, kay siya man ang among tiga-refer sa among balay dito sa Unidary sa Chemical Road. Oh, siya po ang among kuan. Siya tawagan na Ate Fe. Kanang isulol mo din. Tig-rescue. Tumubog si Michael. Ito sa kay niya ang mga bata sa yung smart nga.
Sili ka, RNLI ka.
Ate Fe.
Si Tuti, si Kikay na sa boot. Nakatayo.
Si Ate Fe po siya po ang nag-introduce sa amo sa Santo Niño ngayon. Nga isayaw gyud ay ang Santo Niño kay wala man po kabalo. Kami magsimba ra gyud sa Santo Niño. Nga si Ate Fe ang nagkuan sa amo. Isayaw gyud kabay. So dito kami nagpuyo sa Unidary. Ang uban dayon history. We will miss you, Ate Fe. Ang imong katong sa imong break.
Square dance.
Square dance. Kita gina pala ka-memorize, Ate Fe. So mag-square dance kita karon before ka
Yes. Yes.
We will see you soon.
See you everywhere.
O pag-amping ka nanay, nakasamang mag-ampo.
Oh, thank you.
Ayo-ayo, enjoy gid ang imong retirement kay ingon sila katong mga nag-retire nga. Patsada gid ko ang retirement.
Bida ko katong nag-retire.
Ako po, nakuyawan ko.
Lanyaw gyud.
Tsada mo rin, tsada.
Panguyab sad.
Okay rati, basta nayati ba?
Ano nga pa rin?
Ako
Pahiram mo!
I tell you.
Unless you
Si Ate Vicky sa puno.
Ay, hala.
Titanium. Para dili makuha tayaan.
Di ta makurinti ana.
Titanium.
Titanium.
Na naman USB.
In fairness, I really wish that one day I'll get to the point where you are now. In fairness, akong journey sa akong life and the time I spent with you.
From the heart.
Ala.
Kaila ko naman na siya. Kaila ko na.
Pwede lagi iyak kay.
Kaya mag-journey mo dito sa itong life ka na. Bisa ka na normal events sa iyong life ko. Makatuon mo ka sa imong mga kuyo.
Live coverage.
So,
pwede po na ikaw mauyab.
although Ate Pe is kind of like, she's very, isa tawag ka na, nandita usaha. And not necessarily that. I think because she's been through quite a lot and she's kind of older with us, she's kind of gained obviously mga wisdom. Wisdom. Yeah. You don't, when you get older, you don't tend to like bend anymore because you don't like, you know, you don't take shit anymore kind of thing. Diba, dili na kapasensya ng mga dili ni mo ganahan nga tao or dili ni mo ganahan nga values, dili mo ganahan nga maisinan. So I learned that from Ate Pen, but most importantly na lang nako is you know, just be faithful to God. Biskan pag dili ka perfect ng tao. Yes. And I really wish na enjoy yung tulog sa Pilipinas. I'm sure you will, and find time always to kind of like just relax. This is your moment to be honest. Kana lang.
Mother Fair,
ako i-summarize tong tangkuan.
Evelyn.
Two words. Mother Fair will not accept no bullshit.
Sundays, every Sunday. Tapos this one Sunday, si Ate Fair, yung ganyan na couch, dito yan. Dito si Ate Fair. Tapos, nabuta na, natutulog si Ate Fair, and gano'n. Tapos si Klang Klang, nasa likod ni Ate Fair. So, sabi ko, Klang, at siya may buhat eh, Klang. Hindi siya. And said, bakit? Mag-ibot ako ng uban niya, Ate Fair, kay 10 paper uban. 10 paper uban. Pag ganon niya, sabi ko, ganon pa, ganon. Sabi niya, aray, unsa naman na, dong! And then ko nga, unsa na? Kaya baka si Klang Klang, ang pagbunod niya ng uban, hindi na tig-isa-isa. Minsan, dalawa, tatlo, ganon yung
The yellow brick road.
Ito ba ni ate ni?
Where to begin? I was very young when I met Tita Fair. I consider her as a second parent, I would say, when I was young. She was always there for me. I remember the first, well, I don't actually remember much, but when I was young anyways, I knew that she was always somewhere there, just lingering around and stuff. But there was a time, I think, when you were sick or something and you had to spend time in the house here. And I don't know, I think we formed, us three anyways, me, Gail, and I guess this is all three of us now, our message to you, but yeah, I think we formed a very close bond during that time, even before, and yeah, it's definitely, you know, some memories, core memories that I will cherish forever during our time with Tita Fair. And it was a bliss time. It's always a good time with Tita Fair. And even like when I was young, Mama and Papa, when we went to church, it was always separate times. But I know I could always, when Tita Fair used to live close by, it would just be me and her, always in the 9:30. So I don't know, as a kid I always grew up knowing, like, on a Sunday I was like, oh, Tita Fair in the morning. And yeah, it was a really nice memory to have. But now obviously you're retired and you're going back home, so it's a new chapter for you. it'll be challenging because obviously you've never been in that position before, but I'm sure you'll pull through and, you know, understand that we're always here naman sad if you ever decide to come back. But who would, you know?
Yeah.
Especially with yeah. No, sorry. Yeah. But yeah, like honestly, they're definitely gonna miss you. But I'll always be wearing you. This is her ring. We made a deal that after I graduate, she would make a
Class ring.
Yeah, a class ring for me. But to be honest, I don't want to swap it. So this always reminds me of my life.
Yeah, it was pandemic, so
Yeah.
I haven't made one.
Yeah.
And then he said, "Can I just wear your ring?"
Yeah, and it's a nice memory to have having you here, obviously, like this ring. But yeah, all the best for you in your new challenges, and just know that yeah, we're all still here, obviously. But yeah, I'm gonna miss you very much indeed. Yeah.
Amo ning pabaon ni mo tanan ikan na kaning kwarta amo.
Sultiyon magkuno ka, pabaon na.
Ha? Pabaon una. Pabaon sa ni.
Okay, salamat kayo.
Oh, karong Tuesday ato nang gastoon.
Pabaon na bro. Pabaon daw, pero hindi ka abot Pinas.
Nakabok na ba yan? Wait, may nakabok. Bitaw, sa wala na sayod, kami accidentally minife nga nag 2000
Pag-abot din yun.
Pag-abot na mo.
2004.
Close George pa mi. Yeah, Close George pa mi. Ako, mag-backline mo kung kaingon magsimba. And
Tagalogin mo.
sorry.
Nga dyan, no? Baka matulog ka lang.
Kita kami ni
Tagalog.
Magkita kami ni Fe, sabi niya, magsimba ka ba, Hais? Oo, sige. So, palagi na kaming magsimba, tapos magstay kami, mag-adoration kami sa simbahan. Tapos, syempre ako, na-miss ko yung family ko. Tapos, syempre, doon sa Close George, punta ako sa kanila. Tapos, doon naman sa amin, sabi niya, so nag-usap kami, hindi pala, cousin kami. Kilala niya yung yung
Side
mga
ng mama mo.
side ng mama ko kasi sa Guadalupe siya. So, kilalang kilala. So, tinawagan ko si mama. So, actually, is second, third degree?
Third.
Yeah, third. Oo. Pero, si kabalo mo, you know, maano mo sa amin ni GC na hindi kami nag-ate Fe kay Fe. Para bang,
Hindi kayo nag-ate kasi.
Matanda na ako. So sabi ko, ay parang yung gap namin ni Fe. So anyway, I respect kay Fe. Kami sa family namin. At saka yung mga anak ko, talagang maliit pa yung mga bata, sila Christian, Chelsea, at saka si Chris. Para bang siya, parang second parent sa mga bata na she tried to build up yung mga spiritually, yung mga yung talent.
Yeah, especially Chelsea.
Si Chelsea.
Mentor.
Pagalitan niya si Chelsea pag hindi makuha yung tono ng yung high pitch, pag magganon siya, tapos si Chelsea ganon, iyak at saka si Christian. Pero I'm so thankful na namit namin si Chelsea, namit namin si Fe dito. Kasi dito naman tayo para bang syempre we are in the foreign country na yung natin yung sa Pilipinas syempre ang i-practice natin yung mga mga ugali natin, yung mga values ganon, pero we're so thankful nandiyan si Fe sa mga bata. At saka, sa hirap at ginhawa, nandito kami, iyak kami, mga problema sa Pilipinas, iyak naman kami. So, yung ni Fe, totoo yung sinabi ni Evelyn na more strong ka sa
when it comes sa, sabi na lang niya, prayer lang hides, prayer lang hides. So sometimes, we pray here, rosary, tapos sabi ko, sometimes, para bang, gahi dito si Fe. So ako naman, talagang,
strong.
Strong.
Guys, question lang. Pag hindi mo na-hit yung note, anong ginagawa sa'yo natin?
Hit me, baby!
Hit me, baby, one more.
Pag hindi naman, Chelsea, ganun lang Chelsea. Ano ba Chelsea? Ay, ako ang kuha ko talaga yung high pitch kasi, di ba? Alam mo naman, nakuha ko na yan, mag-acrobat pa. Anyway, nagpasalamat kami ni Fe kasi yung yung sa family, extended, lahat tayo dito. Parang idolo natin si Fe.
I didn't know that.
Idolo natin si Fe kasi di ba? Talagang siya, parang yung problema niya, wala, bali, try, lang kayo. Yung faith ninyo, yun lang. Talaga, sa mga bata, kung si Chelsea, kung may problema si Chelsea, sabihan niya si Ate Fe, Chelsea, para bang si Chelsea walang, lang, prayer. So, parang, ito talaga to. Bakit hindi ito nagmadre?
Ay, dili dahil pwede nang uyab.
Pero pasalamat kami sa kay Fe na nandito siya sa sa pamilya namin. Sa lahat natin. So, anyway, plano natin, pag-retire namin ni GC, so sabay naman kami, doon naman kami. Sa Cagayan de Oro, sa Cebu, so may plano na kami. So, sa akin na lang yun kay Fe. So, so, good luck on your retirement. Then ayaw palagi sa gasto sa pension na.
Project. Okay. Project.
Adieu.
Nasa ikuan si Bukat.
Nagkakanta
rin.
Kuan Ate Fe, pasensya na kasi ang nakayanan namin lahat 2K lang yan.
Apat lang yung dapat.
Yan ako si Catherine Webber.
Always felt that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road, we always saw it through. I had only one friend left, wanted to be you.